Hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong no contact love reading. So para ito sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius na in no contact sa person nila. Okay, so kung okay ang relationship nyo, in contact kayo, and okay, walang issues, so you can leave this video behind or pwede kong magstay to watch and share. Baka makikilala kayo ng air signs na nangangailangan ng guidance. Okay? At gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Please continue to support it by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. And sa mga bago, subscribe na rin po kayo para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang video in the future. Okay? So, at bago ko simulan ito, promo alert! So, just a quick announcement. Aries season ngayon. I am an Aries, and as my gift to all my subscribers, okay, magbibigay ako ng 2 free personal private love reading sa 2 lucky winners na air signs. Okay? So, yung detalye ng promo na to, abangan sa dulo ng video. Okay? Okay, so balik na muna tayo dito. Bubunot ako ng 2 cards from this deck that will be the overall energy of this reading between you and your person. Ito yung overall energy. Tapos interpret natin siya further using the other tarot deck. So I'll get the 3rd card because it's still March. First card, the High Priestess. Okay. 2nd card. Oh, 5 of Cups. Okay, sige. So, I can see here, I can sense here na the reason bakit kayo in no contact with your person because there's an information na hindi shinare. Okay? Your person kept an information na very crucial sa relationship ninyo. Hindi ko pa alam ngayon at the moment, pero tingnan natin yung detalye na mamaya. But for now, the overall energy is your person kept an information. Not necessarily secret, but isang importanteng impormasyon na either will, kung nalaman mo siya, will make or break the relationship. But here yung information na yun nga itong information na yun would help sana pala the relationship. But what I see here is because of the 5 of Cups is the other way around yung nangyari, diba? Kung nasabi sana information na yun, nakatulong sana siya, hindi sana kayo in no contact ngayon. But, because of that information na hindi nasabi, is, yun, ngayon currently, hindi kayo happy, di ba? Shown here with the 5 of Cups. There's sadness, there's grief, there's regret, and now you're in no contact. Pero tingnan natin, sige, ano yung detalye ng overall energy na yun? May information na alam yung person ninyo pero pinili niya na hindi sabihin sa inyo and nag-cause siya ng conflict kaya ngayon in no contact kayo at hindi kayo masaya. Siyempre, sino bang matutuwa na in no contact sa person nila, di ba? Lalo na pag mahal mo yung tao. Okay? So, yan. At habang binabalasa ko to, as always, I would like to remind everyone that this is a collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate with you. Take what take only what resonates, or kung hindi talaga, just leave it behind. Huwag pilitin, dahil nga collective reading ito, hindi ko nasabi energy nito, for sure, pag ganun. Kasi syempre, yan kayong air signs naman. So, pero hindi ko natap yung energy nyo. Abangan nyo lang yung mga susunod pang reading, baka isa doon ay makikita nyo. Or, panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na nagawa ko. Ang tarot and naman talaga ay timeless. So, baka isa din resonates sa session ninyo. Okay, so bubunod ako ng 8 cards from this deck. Tapos interpret natin siya. Anong kinalaman niya dun sa, ano yung detalye pala nung overall energy na nakikita nyo dito. Okay, High Priestess. Okay, so I'll get the third card. First card, Five of Pentacles. Second card, Page of Wands. Third card, Ace of Wands. Fourth card, nag-double confirm lang, the High Priestess. Meron talagang information na hindi nasabi. Or piniling hindi sabihin. Fifth card, Four of Pentacles. Okay, 4, 5. Pat. Sixth card, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, dalawang ace na. Seventh card, Six of Cups. Okay. And last card, the Hanged Man. Okay. What you don't see coming, or the hidden energy, is the Eight of Swords. Okay. So, you might be dealing with a Cancer or Pisces here. Saka, yeah, Cancer and Pisces. So, pwede yung sign ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pero check nyo rin yung placement ng kanyang moon, Venus, and rising. Kasi baka isa din doon yung sign na nabanggit ko, Cancer or Pisces. Okay, so sige, let's interpret. Again, the overall energy is may information hindi sinabi that led to a regret, grief and sadness, and loss of the connection, loss of contact. Okay, so Five of Pentacles. Okay. I can see here that some related siya sa finances. I think may ginawa yung person ninyo that led to the loss of some finances na pwedeng shared between you and your person. Okay? And kasi din nakita dito parang ilan yung pentacles, di ba? Parang tatlo lumabas as wands. But yun yung unang energy na pumasok na nasagap ko. But also itong Five of Pentacles din kasi is really being detached. Okay, detached yung person ninyo emotionally, and ang reason ng detachment niya is yung nga may information siya na hindi sinasabi sa inyo. And I can see here with the Page of Wands is there's a, sorry to say, pero ito yung nasasagap kong energy. There was a third party energy. An information na syempre, diba, na as much as possible, hindi pinapaalam. Okay? kasi dito, like, the Page of Wands is an energy to ng starting something with someone na a bit medyo flirty and fiery ang kaganapan. Okay, and now, nag-connect pa siya with Ace of Wands. And Ace of Wands is an intense attraction with someone. Okay? Tapos, nag-double confirm pa siya with the High Priestess. So again, that's the information na hindi niya gustong ipaalam. Okay? And because of that, di ba, I can see here na na-develop yung feelings na, di ba, with this person, kaya siya naging emotionally or physically detached sa'yo. And that detachment led to, yun, pagiging cold, paglalamig ng relationship, ng connection, that led to asking space, asking for a cool off, a breakup, or stop muna sa mga current na kaganapan between you and your person. So, ang nakikita ko dito, this person, your person, asked for it. Siya yung humingi ng space or humingi na i-end na tong relationship, ganyan. So, that's why now you're in no contact with this person. So again, I'm just reading the energy na nasasagap ko from the spread or from this collective reading. Okay, so as seen here by the Four of Pentacles kasi, and with the Ace, okay, so Four of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles sa Four of Pentacles muna. Okay, so sa Four of Pentacles kasi, you're trying to parang avoid na lang din the conflict. Four of Pentacles is a card of avoidance kasi possible na may avoidant tendencies din kasi yung person mo, di ba? But mas ang nakikita kong nag-resonate or nasasagap kong energy dito is parang ayaw mo na rin parang i-confront itong person na to. You have this feeling, okay? Kasi High Priestess also, dahil na dalawang High Priestess for both decks lumabas, is a card of intuition. And what I see here is that, alam mo naman din sa sarili mo na may iba. Okay? May iba. Pero parang ayaw mo na lang ng confrontation, ayaw mo na lang ng issue pa. So, you just, parang hinayaan mo na lang din. So, in-avoid mo na lang yung mga ganong drama, situation. Diba? Okay? But now, what's good is, okay, ang nakikita kong energy dito now is someone is kasi dito merong Eight of Swords yung Eight of Swords is feeling stuck. Okay? Feeling stuck. But someone is coming into your life that will come as a surprise, as shown here by the Ace of Pentacles and Six of Cups. There's an energy ako nakikita dito that someone is wanting to invest with you, sa'yo, and may potential ito na to have a fresh start, new beginning for you. Okay? And it will come as a surprise. Okay? As shown here by the Six of Cups. Pero, at the same time, Six of Cups is a card of nostalgia na parang inisip mo pa rin yung past talaga. Itong person na to, parang hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. Okay, hinayaan mo siya. You didn't confront. Someone's coming, di ba? And also, since Ace of Pentacles is a card of investment, sobrang invested ka pa. Ikaw yung invested pa dito sa person na to. Okay? And even if there's someone who wants or willing to invest with you, pero ikaw, parang hindi ka pa ready, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on, yung Ace of Pentacles is medyo super invested ka pa dun sa person mo, Yun na, no contact ka. And the Six of Cups is a card of nostalgia. Lagi mo siya naaalala, na-recall yung mga happy moments nyo together. Parang, imbis na mag-move on ka na hindi, wala na siya. Di ba? Sa more, pinili niya yung iba. Di ba? But ikaw, medyo stuck ka. As shown here by the Hanged Woman is, merong, may uncertainty pa sa'yo to really let go and move on. And, nag-aantay ka pa rin. Saka parang ayaw mo pang mag-surrender. Parang ganun. Pero kasi nakikita dito sa Eight of Swords na card is, if hindi mo siya i-let go, ma-stuck ka talaga. Matatrap ka dyan sa idea na wala naman na talaga, pero matatrap ka dun sa idea na baka may pag-asa pa. Okay? So, yeah. So, I'm just reading the energy, okay? So, kaya, kasi, ito hidden, meaning kasi, pag dito, hidden card siya or what you don't see coming is, yun nga, na kasi syempre ngayon, unaware ka, syempre, hurt ka, ganyan. Pero, mahal mo yung tao. So, nandun ka pa rin sa, hindi baka magkaayos pa kami, magkakaayos kami, ayusin namin to, babalik siya, ma-realize niya na ako yung mahal niya, ganyan. But, okay, so first, you really have to surrender na. I'm not saying kasi na, hindi, wag ka nang, kasi, sinasabi lang dito, ito is, yung energy kasi ni Hanged Woman is, really to accept the situation. Not really surrender. So, sige, sorry for the term. But more of accept the situation na during the relationship, your person engaged with another person. During the relationship, your person chose another person. So, as seen here dito, there's a loss, there's a regret, diba? And there's information na hindi sinabi sa'yo. So, nagkaganito, nagkagulo, nagkahiwalay, no contact kayo, but ikaw, yun, yeah, it's normal, di ba? Nasa healing process ka. You're healing, pero, and part of that healing talaga is yung, pa na, you're 1 foot in, 1 foot out, na parang, hindi, umaasa pa, pero part of you also na gusto mo na mag-move on. Okay? But, again, the energy here, yung you don't see coming is Eight of Swords. Okay, Eight of Swords is being restricted, being helpless, stuck ka sa situation, and na dapat nag-move on ka na pa rin, hindi ka pa makapag-move on. Okay, so, ngayon, sana nakatulong yung reading na to. Before I close, bubunot ako ng 3 cards that will be the advice of the universe for you. And itong 3 cards na to, 1 each for the air sign. So, isa for Gemini, isa for Libra, isa for Aquarius. And tignan natin ano yung advice ng universe sa inyo na nandito sa ganitong situation. So, if you are a Gemini, ang sabi ng universe sa iyo ay, third card pa rin. Okay. Thoughtfulness. Okay. So, di ba pag you're being thoughtful, inisip mo yung kapakanan ng ibang tao. But now, ang nakikita kong energy dito is isipin mo yung kapakanan mo. Be thoughtful for yourself. Yan. So, and for Libra, aspiration. Yeah. So, ito, yun nga, parang sinasabi kasi na for a better, as for something better, di ba? Alam mo sa sarili mo na ang daming red flags na nangyari with this person na no contact ka. Pero, siyempre, minahal mo, tapos may mga happy moments kayo for sure together. But, you know you deserve something better. You deserve someone better. And, yun yung i-aspire mo. Okay? Alright. And for Aquarius, friendship. Okay. Sige. So, I guess, ito, I mean, parang sinasabi ng universe na at most, ang energy na nakukuha ko dito, at most that you can have with this person is just friendship na rin talaga. Okay? And sana mag-heal ka na from this situation. And let's manifest that healing and moving on. Okay? Alright. So, now, proceed tayo sa promo. Okay? So, pipili nga ako ng 2 lucky winners, subscribers, na bibigyan ko ng love reading, personal and private love reading. Paano siya ma-avail? Lalo na, tinapos niya, so you're in no contact, and let's see, ano yung mga kaganapan naman with your person and all, kung gusto nyong tingnan natin, alamin. All you have to do is send me an email. Yung email nasa description box. Nandiyan yung email ko. Message kayo and sa email and share your story and all, and pipili ako sa lahat ng mag-i-email kung sino yung gagawan ko ng personal and private love reading. Okay? Then once na ma-send nyo ng email, balikan nyo tong video na to, comment na below. Dun pala sa email, isulat ninyo yung username ninyo sa YouTube na pinang-follow nyo. So I can check and I will check that kung subscribe kayo. So, ilagay nyo yung username niyo, I'll check. And then, balik kayo dito sa video na to, tapos comment kayo sa baba yung sign niyo, either Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. Tapos, sulat nyo email sent. Tapos, check ko yung username ninyo sa YouTube and then yung sa email. Tapos, yun. Tingnan natin ano yung mga energy na masasagot natin sa inyo and your person. Diba? Yan. And this is a free personal private love reading. Okay? So, go na. Join na kayo. Okay? Yan. And the reason why pala is it's a gift to all my subscribers kasi nga Aries season ngayon. I am an Aries, and ito, birthday treat ko na sa lahat ng aking subscribers. So, join na. Okay? And, yan, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat!